Look, freaking out. Let's go. Let's go. Hurry up. Hurry up. Excuse me.
Give me a bag, I'll make you a million. I promise I'll do it myself. I'm setting the bar so high, you can't even reach over the shelf.
What's poppin', family? Team Run It Up. Let's get it. You already know what it's about to go down. Hey, by the way, y'all are actually looking at my real numbers on the week-to-week basis. It's just crazy because even this week, right now it's Saturday and I'm sitting at $1,500 for the week. And as you guys know, I drop daily vlogs now, so I cut my days early and I'm still at $1,500 for the week right now. I'm showing you guys this because there's a lot of people out there that just talk. They just always yapping and everyone's crying, right? And I don't bash anybody. Everyone feels how they feel, but at the end of the day, there's a lot of people out here that's bashing Instacart. I understand why, right? I see it all over the place. I see people talking about Instacart saying, look at these batches, look at these batches. And meanwhile, those batches are like 30 minutes away. They're like, look, and to get to the store, I gotta drive 30 minutes. Well, that's why you're seeing those crappy batches. Let's be real. Like, you're seeing a leakage of the bad batches. If the batches are coming from 30 minutes away, maybe you should go drive over there and sit there all day and see if you get a banger. Just saying. But anyways, we ain't gonna go down that rabbit hole. Let's just run it up. This is about to be fun. We going into Costco. You already know what it is. Like and subscribe if you want to see more. Definitely drop likes. Let's aim for 150 likes on this Costco video. Let's get it. Like, I know we can do it. Team Run It Up. We here. We on. Boom. This is a 41 double batch, by the way, at Costco.
What's up, bro?
What's up, bro? Yeah. We about to zip it up so we can get past the Costco security guards. Y'all know how they be. Let me see the membership. We in. We in. Let's go. Let's look at that list, right? We're gonna analyze the list real quick to see what we gotta grab. You know, kind of like already put those items in our brain. That's what I do at every start of my batch. Every batch I start, that's what I do. And now we cart surfing. We off that. They think I'm crazy. Move out the way, people. Tap bars in Costco, let's get it. Now we parking those carts. If you a rookie, you bring your cart everywhere with you. Cause the cart's just get in the way sometimes. How many of these she want? 3. She want 3 of them. We off that. Throw them in the cart. Let's keep it moving. Let's keep it moving. Next item. Right here, I'm thinking like, did I pass something? Did I miss something? So what I'm about to do is I'm about to park those carts, right? Grab a random piece of meat. Why am I doing that? Throw it in the cart so nobody steals my cart. Y'all know the Costco cart thieves are real. Now we going back over here to make sure we ain't passed nothing. Dipping on people. Let's go. Is anything over here? Nope. Nothing over there. Let's keep it moving. What's next? I know my Costco, you gotta know your Costco, and I know the milk is right around the corner. Let's get that meat out the cart. Watch out, watch out. All right. Let's get in here. A little cart surfing action. Boom. She wants what? How many? 5. Throw those in there. Just keep it moving. We off that. Let's get out of here. It's cold. The refrigerators at Costco be cold. Pull up to this water real quick. What's that? Is that the right water? Like, nope. VAR, that's not the right one, VAR. Come on, we messing up our accuracy. Where's that water? There it is. Congratulations. You found it. Bottom of the cart. Now I know my Costco, and I know the toilet paper and the paper towels are next door neighbors to the water. So that's what we finding next. That's what we're going to get next. But hold up. Hold up. There's no toilet paper. So let's grab the paper towels. We're gonna grab the paper towels. They want the paper towels. I'm not, let's get this clear. I'm not replacing it with paper towels. That's a rookie mistake. Don't do that. She wanted paper towels and tissue, but the tissue was not there. So the tissue she wanted was not there. So we're gonna take a photo of what's here for the customer, right? Do not replace toilet paper with paper towels. Don't ever do that. Now we ain't gonna sit around and wait for her answer. We're gonna keep it moving. And if she wants them, we'll run back. What's next? What's next? Wait a minute. Park those carts. Bust a U-turn, because we know those chips are right here. Let's grab them. Let's go. Time is money. Boom. Let's get it. Look. Quick, fast. That's money in the bank. Cha-ching. Those did not scan, so I had to force scan them. You gotta know your items too. Like sometimes it be the right item, but you gotta force scan it because the barcode, the UPC, whatever is just messed up. So you gotta force scan some items. So just make sure it's the right item that you force scan it. Look at these, trying to hide. Look. Yeah, you thought you was hiding from me. Get over here. You ain't hiding. I found you. Let's go. Too much stuff in my hand to scan those right there though, so we had to scan them over here at the cart. All right, what's next? Oh, keto crisp. We're just gonna check. Look, we just gave it a little turnaround, make sure there's nothing else in that aisle that we missed. Let's go. Come on, too many people, man. Making me move slow. Let's park those carts. Park those carts. What we looking for? Chicken nuggets. They over here somewhere, frozen. No, they ain't in this aisle. Take off. They ain't in this aisle. Let's go. How we gonna get through this? Oh, dip through. Dip through. Oh. I'm telling you. Come on, that's skills right there, yo. I'm telling you. I be moving fast. That's how I be. Turnaround time. TAT. Let's get it. Move that cart out the way. I'm sorry, whoever's cart that is. I'm sorry. Gotta move it. That one's stuck. Let's grab the other one on top. Let's go. Throw those in the cart. Boom. Let's get it. We off that. What's next? Well, what's next is getting through all these people. Costco's on the weekends, man. Crazy. Let's park those carts. Alright, we checking for the snacks. We checking. We freaking out right now too, by the way. I'm freaking out right now. This every order you get a little bit of a freak out. Here's my freak out. Look. Where are these? I can't find them. Where are they? Come on, this is easy, but Costco likes to move things around every single day. They never put stuff in the same spot for some reason. Boom, my eagle eyes, I see them. We off that. Let's get it. Grab those, but we gotta get back to the cart quick. Freaking out. Look, freaking out. Let's go. Let's go. Hurry up. Excuse me. Very slow. People don't know what they want to do. But it's all good. We still polite. Excuse me. They just living their life. All right, we at the snack aisle. Come on, those keto snacks. Blue, I see blue with my peripherals. Let's get it. Boom. Those colors, man. Sometimes those colors on those items be helping. Keto bars. I knew where these were. These are my Costco. They never move these for some reason, so. But that box is messed up, so let's grab another box. Bang, bang. We off that. Throw them in the cart. Let's go. But we freak out right here because we know those items right there, they're at the back of the store. Let's go. We already passed them. We know that now. Let's dip. Dip. Watch out. Check. Woo, look at that move. Check this aisle. It ain't over there. Other aisle. Boom, we found them. Scan those, boom. Chocolate chips.
Oh, it's all right.
Look, I did not know where this was.
Where did you guys move these?
This is the only item I needed help with.
Over here?
Was the last item. And it's always the last item for some reason. I didn't want to put the camera in the Costco employee's face.
Thank you.
But hey, bravo to the Costco employee. They actually knew where this item was for a change. Usually they don't know. They just be like, it's over there somewhere. All right, come on, dip, throw them in the cart, let's go. Time to check out. It's a wrap, time to check out. If we can get past these people. Oh, this is the checkout.
My man, what's going on, brother?
You know they got security guards at the exit too.
Your first trip today? Yeah, my first trip at Costco. Oh.
And that's a wrap. We took down Costco for a quick $41 batch that we actually got all the tip on for some reason. I refunded one item, but I guess customer A was the one tipping everything. Look at us. Cart surfing. We off that.